Hey, Will, I'm hoping you can help me with this. I'm trying to print this document at the school I'm working at, which is the Language Academy. I have gone to the printer settings, system, devices, printers and scanners, add printer. It's showing me a list of all of the printers that are nearby. I'm at site 0170 or 170, it looks like, and my room number is room 810. So I'm clicking here, adding the device. Going back up here, it's going to try and connect. The document I'm trying to print is a PDF, and I'm printing it from the Adobe app on my laptop here. The interesting thing is it still shows my printers at Clark also. So I did a test to see if the document itself would print over at Clark, and I'm going to go over there this afternoon and check it out. It would be kind of weird if it printed over there, but it didn't print at the printer that's about 6 feet away from me. So it shows the computer or the printer here, and supposedly these are all wireless printers. I have restarted the printer, I've restarted the computer. We can't install this printer right now. Try again later or contact your network administrator for help. We don't have a network administrator over here, so here's the printer name, error number hashtag 1764. So I'm contacting my network administrator via this screencast to see if you can help me out with this. Thanks.